Hi friends, this is Muhammad Jibran and welcome to our Java tutorials. In this video, I will be explaining you about the arrays. Suppose you want to enter some information about 60 students in a class. So for that, you know how to do. You have to create 60 variables, the easiest method, and then you have to give their names like name underscore 1 for the name of first student, name underscore 2 for the name of second student. Likewise, you have to give for 60 students 60 variables. Then again, if you want to give their marks of 6 subjects, so then you have to create more 6 variables for each student. So you have to remember which variable resembles what. So it would be a very painful way of programming, so that's why we go for a concept known as arrays. So what is actually an array? Basically, an array looks like something this. It has a name, and it has two square brackets, and this is the method to define them from the backend. Okay, in your programming you are only defining the values inside the array, and the first value will be stored at the address of zeroth address. Okay, so num0 will hold the value of 2 and num1 will hold the value of 8. Likewise 7, 6 and 0. Like this they will be stored in our array. So we have 5 elements, but our addresses of array begins from 0, so we have the last address as 4. If you have more elements, then it will be num5, num6, likewise. So now let's write a program to explain the concept of arrays. Select a new class. Let me give our name to be test. Just select the source folder, hit OK, and finish. And it will take some time, and we are good to go. We remove these things. Now to declare an array, you have to do just similar to any variable. You have to give the array name. Let me say arr will be our array. Two square brackets to define or to say that it's an array, equal to sign, then two curly braces, hit a semicolon, and now we can give the values in our array. Our array will hold the values like 1, 5, 8, 9, 7, 4, 6. And now if you want to display this, you just have to use a simple for loop, which will work on our variable I. I will begin from 0. The i's value should not be less than 7. The I should increment every time. Why 7? Because my array holds 7 elements. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and as is beginning from 0, so it should be less than 7. If it begins from 1, it should be equal to 7. Then after that I will say system.out.println. What I will print? I will print arr, which will work on I. Fine. Now hit the green button, and here is your output. You have all the elements beginning from 1, 5, 8, 9, 7, 4, 6. So this is how you define an array and how you display all the values in the array. So hope you understood the program, and thanks for watching it.